When you're playing any video on your YouTube, then it's lagging on 60 FPS and dropping the frames. How you can fix it in your Google Chrome on YouTube. For this, open YouTube in front of us here on the website. You can see, and I will simply click or select any of the video I want to watch, and I will set the quality as 60 FPS because we will face the problem during the 60 FPS and the frame will drop again. Now you can see this is a YouTube ad you will see on your homepage on the YouTube. Firstly, you should select the quality to the 60 fps or 1080p here in the setting of this YouTube video. I will click on the setting and then click on the quality to 2160 and 60 fps. Now, how you will simply do this, you can come to your home screen, simply click on the Wi-Fi option and select your network if it's connected to the Wi-Fi network in good connection or with good strength. So this is how you can simply solve it. And if the issue is not solved right now, you can click on the start button to restart your PC, and then it will refresh all of the background applications and another open softwares on your computer. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching this video.